I had to figure out what is sustainable. And as I was losing the weight, I thought, I got to keep doing this or I'm going to gain the weight. If you do not change, nothing changes. If I go back to the way I was, meaning nothing changed, I will have that body again. I will be 80 pounds overweight. If I go back to the way I ate 2 years ago, I will be the same weight I was back then. That's just logic. So I knew I had to change. I had to have a lifestyle change. I had to grieve the past. I had to say goodbye to that. I had to say goodbye to that person. I had to say goodbye to that identity of a baker, somebody who made cinnamon buns and cookies and pancakes and muffins and coffee cake. All of those things I loved myself. I loved to eat those myself, and I loved to make them for my family and for my friends because I got a reward of, oh, this is so yummy. Thank you, Wendy, for making this for me. And I had to realize that's the former person, because if I want to stay 80 pounds, I can keep doing that, or I can do something different and not be 80 pounds overweight. Thanks so much for watching this. If you're on YouTube and listening to this, if you're listening on the podcast apps, I'm so excited to share more of my journey, and hopefully some of this can help you find the solution. And it's not going to be exactly like mine. The solution for your weight loss is not going to look exactly the same, but hopefully it will help you see that you can tweak it, you can adapt it, and everybody's situation is different. Don't be hard on yourself. Be patient with yourself. Know that it takes time to make new habits. You can check out my books on Amazon. I've got the book that I wrote right after I'd lost the weight, and then I wrote these 2 workbooks and journals, and there's 2 different sizes here. And I have courses coming up where I will be sharing even more of what worked back then to lose the weight and what's working to maintain the weight.